here we go. We're going to do another round of this here. So we got 2011 two-box break round number 2, Inception and Memorabilia, spelled and wrong, no biggie. And here are the names going along with the teams. There we go. So everything's right there for you. Let's start with the memorabilia. And this is the serial number. If we can focus. There we go. 3538. A good deal. Alright, empty box, checklist. Here's mini box number 1. First card, Jabal Sheard for the Brownies. Rookie. That's $2.15 and $3.99 for the Brownies. We got Eli Manning for the Giants. Michael Vick. And it's kind of right there on the top. So I don't want to mess around with it too much, but right there on the top. Sorry about that. Not much I can do about stuff in there. They're probably bouncing around in here a little bit. Adrian Clybourne is going to be the auto for the Bucks. Christopher S. Nice hit, buddy. Adrian Clybourne. And that is card number 17 out of 299. So that is box 1. And let's do box number 2. Uh-oh. This might be the big hit. Not sure. Yeah, looks like it. So, then we have a quarterback, Joe Flacco. Not sure what this is. This is Absolute Heroes for the Ravens, and that's going to be numbered 8 out of 100. Tony Gonzalez. And a Brian Urlacher. Sorry, on the top there again. I don't know what the heck's going on with those. It's like 1 card per pack. And boy, oh boy, Austin Pettis for the Rams. So Edward M. Got a big hit there, brother. Little Austin Pettis. He's brand new to the site. This one's for you, brother. And it's super short print, actually. 3 of 25. So nice little hit there for you, buddy. Next little mini box. All right. First one, Julius Thomas, the Bronx. 29 out of 399. Sam Bradford for the Rams. Matt Schaub for the Texans. And this is a pretty neat little card. I don't know how they managed this, but this is C.J. Spiller, Fred Jackson, and Lee Evans, and Ryan Fitzpatrick. There's a bunch of little buffaloes on there. Whose idea was that? I don't know. I mean, I guarantee there's a lot of jersey hanging out back there, but they just let the little buffalo go. And that is 41 out of 50. So That's actually a pretty decent hit there for the Bills. I've never seen one of those before. And last little mini box here for Absolute. And then we have one of the Topps Inception. All right. Let's see what we got. You've got to be kidding me. Tyrod Taylor. Here is this. For the Ravens, 176 out of 399. And Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefers. Oh, well, actually, that's not too bad. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Or, I'm sorry, Larry Fitzgerald. And, guys, I was so close to opening another box for you because of this, but because of the significance of the card, I cannot do it. But the odds of getting 2 Austin Pettis in the same box as the main hits are astronomical. It's borderline I should write to Panini. But this one's going to be a 101, I believe. So you can't really complain about a 101. Although it is Austin Pettis. I mean, maybe he'll take off. Oh, and it's not even 101. But it's super short print. 2 of 5. I was going to do it for you guys, but I can't. That's a sick card regardless. I don't care who it is, really. That's a really nice card. Unfortunately, it had to be our boy Austin Pettis, but I'll tell you who's excited about that. My boy Edward M. So, nice hit. Man, Austin Pettis and 2. You're unbelievable. Anyway, Inception. Here we go, guys. All right, big money. Big money. I'll make you guys a deal. If one of the hits is going to be Austin Pettis in this box, I will open up this unlimited box for you for free. If one of the hits is Austin Pettis, because we've seen way too much of Austin Pettis. So if one of the hits, and it's a hit, it's got to be an auto. It's got to be an auto. First card, Jermichael Finley. That's for the Packers. Those base ones aren't numbered. And we have Malcolm Floyd for the Chargers. On a Patrick M. Arian Foster for the Texans. Going to Robin W. And that one's numbered. 46 out of 209. And we have Tim Tebow. Which actually you don't see this one you don't see Tebow out of here very much, or I haven't at least. And that's card number 105 out of 106. Nice hit there for the Bronx. And you got you got Mikel LaShore. I'm so sorry. You got Mikel LaShore. Rookie auto base card for the Lions, which is actually a nice hit because if Javid Best doesn't come out, then he is going to be ridiculous. Then we have Leonard Hankerson. So close. So close. Leonard Hankerson, jersey. And it's numbered 86 out of 158. And the last card, guys. This is why I was laughing. I'm so sorry. I'll tell you what. You guys get a free box, really. Are you joking? Somebody is playing a joke on us at this point. Austin Pettis. Edward M. is going to be an Austin Pettis super collector after this. He has 9 out of the 10 rookies. They have 836 out of 900. Austin Pettis. And, well, guys, you get a free box. I said it. I shouldn't have said it because it's a damn near guarantee. So, you guys get a free box. Unbelievable. All right. That's serial number is 5656. Oh, what are the freaking odds? Well, this will be the one box break. Oh, and we got nothing but thickies in here too. You guys might have lucked out. I've never seen it like this. Oh boy. You guys just lucked out. I was going to bust this box for myself. Just kidding. I was though, but I'm not going to now, obviously. It's for you guys. Wow. There are a bunch of thick cards in here. I've never seen it like this. All right, so this is your guys' free box because of the Austin Pettis, like, out of insanity. Okay. This is Darren Sproles for the Chargers. And that's 492 out of 499. The Chargers. And then we have a legend of Charlie Trippy. It's going to the Chicago Cardinals, which, according to the rules, guys, you got to look at the rules, and they all stay the same. But since the Chicago Cardinals are no longer in that city, it goes to the team that whatever pro sports team is in that city now. Since it says Chicago, it's going to the Bears. So I know some people can say, "Oh, no," but I have the rules set in place. So I appreciate it. And you guys are pretty good about those anyway. 202 out of 499. Plus, it's a free box. Nobody can even complain. Come on, man. All right, next card. Brandon Spikes for the Patriots. 490 out of 499. There you go. And then here is a Carlton Mitchell for the Brownies. Excuse me. And that's going to be 26 out of 50. Then the Vikings are going to have a little hit here. A little free hit. This is Vicente Shenko. Little jersey guy. And that's 194 out of 199. Then we have a weird Leroy Selman. It's like he was wearing a mesh tank the day that they took that off of him. Come on, man. 45 out of 199. Cool. And the Vikings are going to get another hit. And that's going to be Adrian Peterson. Who had the Vikings? That's NY High Roller. He would get him, wouldn't he? Just kidding, buddy. Good job. And that's 5 out of 50. And I'll tell you who cleaned house this break. It's our boy Edward M. with a sick Mark Sanchez jersey auto banner season 2009. Let me get that to focus in. So the Dirty Bird Sanchez, Mark Sanchez, jersey auto, and that is completely free. That is on the house. So Edward M. I mean, if you leave this site now, I mean, you gotta be crazy. So, congrats, man. Congrats to everybody getting those hits there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna write free box because of stupid Austin Pettis. 2010 limited. I shouldn't make those bets anymore. All right. So, guys, we have the 2 boxes is certified, and then we're done for tonight. So let me get the video saved here real quick.